everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm actually just going to show you dried results of 3 paintings. We have been completely snowed in here. The temperatures did not rise above -1, -2 degrees centigrade today. So all the snow that fell isn't melting because it's minus degrees. The caravan, well, the amount of snow on the roof of the caravan is nerve-wracking for me, especially considering there's already sticks holding the ceiling up on the caravan. So I don't want to go into the caravan while it still has a really thick, heavy layer of snow on the roof. So I'm going to show you the dried results of 3 paintings. They have taken a long time to dry, even though I brought them into the house. They still took over a week to dry. So anyway, let me show you. So come along, let's have a look. They actually turned out really, really nice. Come look. So we have this one that is now dry. I love this one. I love the colors, and I'm going to try and show you the metallic on it. So the light blue is metallic, so it does have that. Oh, it's so difficult with the light to show you. I think you can see it anyway there. Okay, so that has some metallics in it. It really, I love this one. I think it's really, really very pretty. And then there's this one. And of course, all of this on the top and going down here is also metallic. There you can see it. It looks like it's 3D. It looks like it stands higher than the rest of the paints. That's why I like to just put one metallic color in with your painting. It just, look at that. I just love the effect that it gives. So yeah, that one turned out also very nice. I like that. And then there's this one, also very pretty. Now with this one, the dark blue is metallic, which of course now, well, there you can see it there. Obviously, when you have daytime, sunlight shining on it, you can see it better. But yeah, so the dark blue on this one is metallic. So it actually does, in the sunlight, it looks very, very pretty. Very nice. So that's just a quick video just to show you those 3 paintings, and let's hope that a lot of the snow has melted for Saturday. Then I can at least get into that caravan on Saturday and do another painting. So I'll see you then. See you. Bye.